Hello friends, good evening. So friends, today is the sixth lecture of quantitative aptitude, basically the aptitude for MNCs. How many of you are present here? Please say yes so that we can start our lecture. Good evening Ravi, Sahil. So friends, today is the topic profit and loss. Profit, loss and discount. Profit, loss and discount is the most important topic for all companies. Either you are sitting in any MNCs or any other company, profit, loss and discount is the most important topic. So first of all, discuss some basic concepts of profit and loss. So before discussing about profit and loss, first of all discuss about SP and CP. Basically SP stands for selling price and cost. CP stands for cost price. So what is the meaning of SP and CP? If we have cost price greater than selling price, then we have loss, because cost price is the price at which the shopkeeper buys and the selling price is the price at which the shopkeeper sells the article, and selling price is the price at which the shopkeeper sells the article. So if the cost price is greater than the selling price, then we have loss, and the formula of the loss is cost price minus selling price. And the other case, if selling price is greater than cost price, then we have profit, because selling price is the price at which the shopkeeper sells. So if selling price is more, then we have profit, and the value of profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Any issue till this one? Display नहीं हो रहा. Friends, any doubt till here? कर दिया sir. चल पड़ा. Any doubt till here? So friends, after that, loss and profit. One more formula. What is profit percent? What is profit percent? Basically, profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price into 100. Most important thing, profit and loss always calculated on the cost price. So profit percent here is equal to profit upon cost price into 100, and loss percent is equal to loss upon cost price into 100. Basically, we have four formulas in this chapter. The first is this one, second this one, third is this one, and fourth is this one. These four formulas, on the basis of these four formulas, we can do all the questions. So elaborating this formula, what is profit percent? So first of all, we can discuss this formula. Profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price into 100. This is the formula. Profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price into 100. So first of all, substitute the value of profit. What is the value of profit here? Profit percent is equal to selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100. This is the formula of profit percent. We substitute here SP minus CP. And after that, profit percent is equal to SP upon CP into 100 minus CP upon CP into 100. This is the formula of profit percent. And after that, write it here. profit percent is equal to SP upon CP into 100 minus 100. Any doubt till here? So students, after that, most important formula formed here, profit percent plus 100 is equal to 100 SP upon CP, and the value of SP here is to be CP into 100 plus profit percent upon 100. This is the formula of SP when we have given cost price and profit percent. So profit percent, basically selling price, is equal to cost price into 100 plus profit percent upon 100. So what is the formula when we have given loss percent? Any doubt till this formula? So students, if we have given loss percent is equal to loss upon cost price into 100, then what is the value of selling price? We can directly write it here. Selling price into 100 minus loss percent upon 100. This is the formula when we have given selling price, cost price and loss percent. You have to remind all these formulas. This one, this one, this is the third, this is the fourth, this is the fifth formula and this is the sixth formula. Any doubt? You have to write all these formulas in your notebook because this is the most important, and basically this is the base of profit and loss. Any doubt? If you have no doubt, then please say no doubt, sir, so that we can continue with the discount factor. So friends, after discussion of profit and loss, the next one is discount. What is the role of discount? It is clear, sir. Yes. So what is the role of discount? Students, when the term discount is used, one new term is introduced, that is market price. Market price or MP. Basically MP is known with different names like market price or label price, tag price, list price, MRP basically means market retail price. So students, what is the relation of market price with the discount? First of all, discuss with one example, like we are going to a shop and we are trying to buy an article having tag price, basically rupees 2000. We are buying an article having market price or tag price is rupees 2000, and we have given one more tag here, discount percent is equal to 20%, and we have given one more discount percent is 20%. When this is the market price and this is the discount percent, so according to shopkeeper, at which price we buy an article is the selling price of an shopkeeper. So discount is equal to market price minus selling price. Basically we can discuss here regarding the shopkeeper. because market price is done by the shopkeeper and selling price is also by the shopkeeper. The difference between the market price and the selling price is equal to discount. So, and what is discount percent? Basically, discount percent is calculated on the basis of market price. So, discount percent is equal to discount upon market price into 100. Discount percent is equal to discount upon market price into 100. And what is the relation between discount percent, selling price and market price? One more formula here. Selling price is equal to market price into 100 minus discount percent upon 100. On the basis of all these formulas, we can calculate profit, loss and discount. You have to write all these formulas because these are most important for solving any question. Any doubt till here? So students, after discussing the basic concepts of profit, loss and discount, we can use these formulas in some questions to understand the concept more easily. So students, let's discuss the first question. So the first question here is to be, if the basically 7 to 8 types of questions are asked in profit and loss chapter. First of all, we can discuss with the article based question. So what is the meaning of article based question? Let's understand. If the cost price of 12 articles is equal to the selling price of 20 articles, if the cost price of 12 articles is equal to the selling price of, change here, 16 articles, find profit or loss percent. So if the cost price of 12 articles is equal to the selling price of 16 articles, then find profit or loss percent. How we can solve this question? Try once. What is the answer and how we can solve this question? So students, how we can proceed with this type of question? So first of all, write, as we are given in the question, that the cost price of 12 articles, basically cost price of 12 articles cost price is equal to the selling price of 16 articles. Basically this is the equation, as we are given in the question, that the cost price of 12 articles is equal to the selling price of 16 articles. So from here we can write that cost price by selling price is equal to 16 by 12. Cost price by selling price is equal to 16 by 12. So from here we can directly assume that the cost price of an article is 16 and the selling price of an article is 12. This is basically the short trick, or directly. Cost price, here we assume that cost price is equal to 16 and the selling price here we can 12. So if cost price 16 and the selling price is 12, from here we know that 16 is greater than 12. Basically cost price is greater than selling price. So here the term comes out to be loss, because cost price is greater than selling price. So if cost price is greater than selling price, then what is the value of loss? Loss is equal to 16 minus 12, which comes out to be 4. And what is the value of loss percent? So loss percent is equal to loss upon cost price into 100. So loss here is equal to 4, value of cost price here is to be 16 multiplied by 100. This is to be 1, this is to be 4, this is to be 1, this is to be 25. So the value of loss percent here comes out to be 25%. %25% is the answer. Any doubt in this question? Students, share this lecture with your friends also, so that more and more students attach with us and gain benefit. So let's move to the question number 2. If you have any doubt, then please say sir doubt, otherwise say no doubt, so that we can go to the question number 2. So this question is for practice to all of you, for all of you. So the question is to be, if the cost price of 16 articles is equal to the selling price of 12 articles, is equal to the selling price of 12 articles, then find profit or loss percent. Try this question. If the cost price of 16 articles is equal to the selling price of 12 articles, then find profit or loss percent. What is the answer of this question? What is the answer of this question? How we can solve this question? What is the answer, students? Try to solve fast. 33.33% and one answer is 25% profit. First of all, you have to know that either profit or loss, then calculate the value. So student, start solving here. So the basic statement says that cost price of 16 articles, write it here. Cost price of 16 articles is equal to the selling price of 12 articles. So after that, cost price by selling price is equal to 12 upon 16. Or we can say that the cost price is to be 12 and the selling price is to be 16. So if cost price is equal to 12 and the selling price is to be 16, so basically cost price is smaller than the selling price, so here we have profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, as selling price is equal to 16 and cost price is equal to 12, so profit is equal to 4. So what is the value of profit percent? We can directly write it here. Profit upon cost price into 100. So profit percent is equal to 100 by 3% or 33 1 by 3%. So this is our answer. Profit percent is equal to 100 by 3% or 33 1 by 3%. Any doubt? So move to the question number 3. What is question number 3? So students, question number 3 is, by selling 100 books, basically what the question says that by selling 100 books, a shopkeeper gain the selling price of 20 books. Basically question says that by selling 100 books, a shopkeeper gain the selling price of 20 books. So find profit percent. Yes, Vinod, classes are done on the daily basis, basically from Monday to Friday. And on Friday, due to some technical issues, there is no aptitude class. So student, try to solve this question. Basically question says that by selling 100 books, a shopkeeper gain the selling price of 20 books. Question says that when a shopkeeper sells 100 books, he gains, how much he gain? Basically selling price of 20 books he gain. So what is the value of profit percent? So how we can solve this type of question? So start solving this question and take 1 or 2 minutes to solve the question and comment your answer. Till that time I can see your comments. $25. Yes, 25 is the answer, not 20%. 20% is not the correct answer. So start solving this and understand the concept, how we can directly solve this question and what is the concept behind this question. So student, when a shopkeeper selling 100 books, basically we have to equal the quantity. If a shopkeeper sells 100 books, then he buys also 100 books. So student, if shopkeeper sells 100 books, basically books, write it here, 100 buy, basically he buy 100 books and also he sell 100 books. And what is the profit? Basically profit is equal to 20 books selling. Basically profit is equal to the selling price of 20 books. So let's proceed with the question. Students, from here, first of all, we can assume that as we have 100 books, let the cost price of one book, let cost price of one book is equal to CP. If the cost price of one book is equal to CP, then what is the cost price of 100 books? So cost price of 100 books comes out to be 100 CP, because cost price of one book is equal to CP. And after that, let selling price of one book is equal to SP. So what is the selling price of 100 books? Is equal to 100 SP. We have given that cost price of one book is equal to CP. So the cost price of 100 books is equal to 100 CP. And if the selling price of one book is equal to SP, so the selling price of 100 books is to be 100 SP. So, and what is the profit? Basically profit is equal to the selling price of 20 books, which comes out to be 20 SP. So after that, how we can solve this question? So students, first of all, write the formula of the profit. What is profit? Profit is equal to total selling price minus total cost price. So what is the value of profit? Profit is equal to 20 SP, total selling price is equal to 100 SP, total cost price is equal to 100 CP. So take this on the right hand side, 100 CP is equal to 100 minus 20 comes out to be 80 SP. So students, 100 CP comes out to be equal to 80 SP. So I think all of you understand till this step. After that, very easy one, 100 SP, 100 CP is equal to 80 SP. So what is the value of CP? From here the value of CP is to be 80 and the value of SP is equal to 100. If the value of CP is 80 and the value of SP is equal to 100, so what is the value of profit? So profit is equal to 20, basically selling price minus cost price. And what is the value of profit percent? Profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price into 100. This is to 1 by 4 into 100, which comes out to be 25%. So profit percent is equal to 25%. Any doubt? But question goes little bit lengthy. So how we can directly analyze this type of question? So let's understand from which concept, from which step we can directly analyze this question. So students, when we have given that 100 books and we have given profit, like profit is equal to selling price of 20 books. So directly write it here. Profit is equal to total selling price minus cost price. So what is the value of profit? Profit is equal to 20 books selling price. So write it here 20 SP. And when the selling is 100 books, so write it here 100 SP minus 100 CP, because when the shopkeeper sells 100 books, then he purchases also 100 books. So from here we can directly analyze this type of question. Any doubt? Any doubt? Please press the like button and share this lecture with your friends also. If you have any inquiry or query, then comment in the chat box. So let's move to the question number 4. I can write here 2 questions. You can solve this question. So first of all, question number 4. By selling 34 books, basically by selling 34 books, a shopkeeper loses the selling price of 6 books. By selling 34 books, a shopkeeper loses the selling price of 6 books. Basically here the question says that there is loss, then find loss percent. So try to solve this question. What is the value of loss percent? So try to solve this question. What is the value of loss percent? So student, what is the answer of this question? What is the answer? 15%. Yes. 15% is the correct answer. Basically question says that by selling 34 books, a shopkeeper loses the selling price of 6 books. Then find loss percent. So students, how we can solve this question? Basically here I directly give you the idea how to solve this question. First of all, the question says that loss, so write it here, loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Basically loss is equal to total cost price minus total selling price. So what is the value of loss? Loss is basically equals to the selling price of 6 books. So write it here, 6 SP. We have given 34 books. So the shopkeeper purchases 34 books and also selling 34 books. So write it here, 34 CP. Basically for one book the cost price is CP, and for 34 books the cost price is 34 CP, and for one book selling price is SP. For 34 books selling price is 34 SP. Any doubt? So now the next step is 40 SP is equal to 34 CP. So what is the value of SP here? SP is equal to 34 and cost price is equal to 40. So here cost price is greater than selling price. So loss percent is equal to loss. So what is the value of loss? Loss is 6, cost price by 40 into 100. So this is to be cancel out, 3, 2, 1 or 5. So the value of loss percent comes out to be 15%. So loss percent is equal to 15%. Any doubt? So students, in the question number 3rd and 4th, basically loss or profit is given in the form of selling price, and also the shopkeeper sells according to the selling price. But we have also given question according to the cost price. So what is the question according to the cost price? We can discuss here. Question number 5th is solved by you. You can try to solve question number 5th. Basically question number 5th says that by selling 33 meter of cloth, question number 5th says that by selling 33 meter of cloth, a shopkeeper gain the cost price of 11 meter of cloth. Basically question says that by selling 33 meter of cloth, a shopkeeper gain the cost price of 11 meter of cloth. Then find profit percent. So try to solve this question. What is the answer? What is the value of profit percent? What is the answer? Similar type of question as a question number 3rd and 4th. 25%. No, 25% is not the right answer. Here the gain is in the terms of cost price. So students, what is the answer basically? As first of all we can know here that the shopkeeper gain, so directly write the formula of profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So as profit is equal to the 11 meter of cloth, so write it here 11 CP, because profit is equal to the cost price of 11 meter of cloth. And what is the selling price? Basically we sell 33 meter of cloth, So selling price is according to 33 meters, 33 SP, and cost price is also according to 33 CP. So from here we can write 44 CP is equal to 33 SP. 44 CP is equal to 33 SP. So what is the value of CP here? 33. And what is the value of SP? 44. If SP is equal to 44, CP is 33, then profit percent is equal to, what is the value of profit? Gap is 11. 11 by cost price, 33 into 100. So profit percent is equal to 100 upon 3%, which comes out to be 33 upon 3%. Any doubt? Any doubt? So after that, two more questions on the similar concept. Like here we have not given any price, basically any price of an article, so we can calculate in the form of percentage. But in the coming questions, the question given some price basically regarding some articles, either the cost price or the selling price, and we have to find the price according to the question. So let's start discuss the first question on this topic, basically regarding that, and the concept is basically same, that is article base. So question number 6 is to be, so basically the question number 6 says that a man sold 18 shirts for rupees 16800, 16,800. Basically, a man sold 18 shirts. The total selling price of 18 shirts is 16,800, and gain the cost price of 3 shirts. So what is the meaning of here? These words, and gain the cost price of 3 shirts basically means that after selling 18 shirts, the shopkeeper gained the cost price of 3 shirts. Basically, profit is equal to the 3 times the selling price, 3 times the cost price of shirt. So find the cost price of a shirt. Cost price of one shirt. Basically, we have to find the cost price of one shirt. So how we can solve this question? Try to solve this question and comment your answer. What is the answer of this question? Try to solve this question. What is the answer? Concept is similar regarding the previous questions, like question number 3rd, question number 4th, question number 5th. All questions are on similar concept. This question is also on the similar concept, basically article based type question. Basically question says that a man sold 18 shirts for rupees 16,800, and after selling 18 shirts, the cost price, basically the profit is equal to the cost price of 3 shirts. Then what is the cost price of one shirt? Basically we have to find the cost price of one shirt. So what is the answer? No, 216.33. This is not the answer. This is not the correct answer, dear Shubh Srivastav. Other students also try to solve the question and comment your answer, whatever your answer will be. So first of all, what the question says that basically we have to sell 18 shirts, and for 18 shirts the gain is to be cost price of 3 shirts. First of all, do not think regarding that. Think that this is not given. If we think that 16,800 is not given, so we can write that as we have given gain. So write it here, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. This is the formula. As we know that what is the value of gain? Gain is basically the cost price of 3 shirts. So write it here, 3 CP. Students, concentrate on the screen how we can tackle this question, because answer of many questions is wrong. So what is the value of profit? So profit is equal to the 3 times cost price. And what is the selling price? Because a person sell 18 shirts, so value of selling price is equal to 18 SP. And if person sells 18 shirts, so shopkeeper buys, or basically person buys 18 shirts. So 3 CP is equal to 18 SP minus 18 CP. From here we can write that 21 CP is equal to 18 SP. And after that we know that the value of 18 SP, basically what is the selling price of 18 SP is equal to 16,800. So substitute here, 16,800 is the selling price of 18 shirts. So 16,800 basically equals to the cost price of 21 shirts. So what is the cost price of one shirt? Cost price of one shirt is equal to 16,800 by 21. This is to be 1, this is to be 8. So the cost price of one shirt is to be 800. This is our answer. Basically we have to substitute the value of 18 SP in the last step. So after calculating here, the value of cost price of one shirt comes out to be 800. Any doubt? Hope all of you understand this question. If you have no doubt, then please say no doubt, sir, so that we can move to the question number 7. So student, question number 7, this is the last question of today's lecture. Similar concept question, and you have to solve this question. So what is the question says that? Question 7 says that on selling 17 balls, basically a shopkeeper sells 17 balls for rupees 720, and we have given that the selling price of 17 balls is to be 720. There is a loss, as in the previous question the profit, and in this question there is a loss. So there is a loss, equal to the, cost price of 5 balls, and loss is equal to the cost price of 5 balls. So find the cost price of a ball. Basically we have to find the cost price of a ball. So try to solve this question, and what is the answer of this question? So find the cost price of the ball. What is the answer? 60. Yes, 60 is the correct answer. So student, try to solve this question. First of all, we have given loss, so directly write it here. Loss is equal to total cost price minus total selling price. Basically, loss is equal to total cost price minus total selling price. So what is the value of loss? Basically, loss is equal to the cost price of 5 balls. So write it here, 5 CP. And when the shopkeeper sells 17 balls, so the shopkeeper also buys 17 balls. So because quantity is to be same, so write it here, 17 CP minus 17 SP. This is the loss, basically cost price of 5 balls. This is the cost price of 17 balls. This is the selling price of 17 balls. So 17 balls selling price is equal to 17 balls cost price minus 5 balls cost price. So after that, 17 balls selling price comes out to be equal to 12 balls cost price. But here we know that what is the selling price of 17 balls? Selling price of 17 balls comes out to be 720. So if the selling price of 17 balls comes out to be 720, which is equal to the cost price of 12 balls. So the cost price of one ball is equal to 720 upon 12, which comes out to be 60. So 60 is our answer. So cost price of one ball is to be 60 rupees. Any doubt? So student, one more question for all of you, basically for practice or as a homework. And after solving the question number 8, basically the homework question, you have to comment your answer in the chat box or uploading the pic of the solution of that question, so we can know how many of you are serious in the lecture. So what is the doubt? Prahlad Kumar, what is doubt? So question number 8. Basically the question number says that, this is important question, when selling price of an article is doubled, basically we have given that when selling price of an article is double, then profit triples. This is the question. When selling price of an article is double, then profit triples. Then find the profit percent. So what the question says that we have to double the selling price, and when the selling price is double, then the profit triples. So we have to find the profit percent. Let's take 1 or 2 minutes and try to solve this question, so that after that we can conclude our lectures. Take 1 or 2 minutes. So what the question says, when the selling price of an article is double, then the profit triples. So we have to find the profit percent. $50, no, 50 is not the correct answer, Vinod Kumar. Tanveer, Shubh, Srinivas, Ravi, what is the answer? So students, yes, 100%. Yes, 100% is the answer. You have to solve this question, and after solving, the question, take a click and upload in the chat box. So students, in the tomorrow's lecture, we can discuss also on the profit and loss, and 15 to 20 questions we can discuss in the tomorrow lectures, and the timing is to 7, and Java class, and today there is Java class at 9 p.m. sharp, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. So students, join Java class at 9 p.m. and if you have any doubt, then comment in the chat box. Thank you. Good night.